forgetfulness of old people. What is forgetfulness? It is the state of mind when the things which were there in his mind just slip out of his attention as soon as his attention is diverted to something else. So this state of forgetfulness comes when person's attention remains involved with so many things at the same time for a long period. It causes an exhaustion of mind. So forgetfulness always comes after the exhaustion of mind or involvement of mind in so many things. So prostration of mind, brain fag, and ultimately the memory loss. Reading does not understand reading, reflect, unable to reflect in old age. So what is reflect? So reflect is throwing back something with the same intensity, velocity and quality after being struck to it. For example, when a light rays fall on a shining surface, they come back with the same force and preserving the same properties. If the reflector is 100% perfect, the reflection will be 100%. So similarly, when a person faces someone else and if he is strong enough, he will answer back or react back in the same style, tone, force, etc. But if he is a weaker personality, he would not be able to react back with the same force or vigor. So either he avoids reacting back or reacts back in a milder tone. So he takes time to answer back or react back to the situation. For example, what is your name? What did you ask? My name. Oh. So he looks back blank to you or may answer slowly in a milder tone as if he is finding it difficult to answer. So this shows as if his mind has become very dull and it is not able to comprehend the situation with speed or is not able to calculate what could be the possible answer of that question. So any situation which he is supposed to face or solve. So before answering back, he may give an expression as if he is thinking about the answer to the question or situation, or he repeats the question many times in his mind before answering it back. All this state comes up because of long period of taking extra care about someone or something. For example, caring about his business or family members means he had strained his mind to an excess. So on this state may come up due to some kind of mental shock also. A mental shock one feels when he suddenly loses something to which he was very much attached, or he hears something which can prove very ruinous to him. In case of Embragracia, he is attached to his business, money, etc. Once he comes to know that he has lost everything, he cannot bear it, meaning this is a shock to him. So as a result, his mind becomes dull, he loses interest in all the activities and he just sits and weeps. Rubrics are sits, weeps, sits wrapped in deep sad thoughts and noticing nothing as if, weeping, desire to weep all the time, laughing, aversion to, disgusted at the laughing of others, company, aversion to smiling faces. Or the shock may come when he feels that he is good for nothing, means because of some inferiority complex in him. So this state does not come up just by one shock. Only repeated failures break him down. With every failure, he feels that his luck is not favoring him. Means a businessman who had in the past very flourishing business, but now due to changed circumstances, whatever business he tries to establish, he meets only the failures and suffer heavy losses, whereas others make the profit in the similar kind of business. So these repeated failures break him down, his mind becomes dull and he becomes absolutely hopeless. Rubric is despair, and then after going into this despair state, then he notices that nothing good will happen, he feels. So once this despaired state is established, he becomes sad, keeps on weeping all the time, remains seated in one place, he neither laughs nor can tolerate to see others laughing. Rubric is laughing, aversion to, disgusted laughing of others. But initially he does not accept his weakness. He blames for his fortune. So repeatedly ask everyone why this all happened to me. Question speaks continually in. Once he realizes his weakness, meaning he is lacking something that makes him inferior to the others in the society, his behavior changes. Once he realizes his shortcomings, he feels embarrassed. Embarrassed word meaning an, an old lady who is having a small patch of leukoderma on her wrist always remains busy in hiding that patch even from the sight of known people or her own family members, though all of them know about these patches very well. She does not want to come in the sight of other people, shuns light, meaning she avoids to come in the sight of other people, so she avoids meeting people. Company aversion to presence of strangers, and anxiety when in company, anxiety in crowd. She wants to hide his weakness, meaning anything that lowers his dignity in the eyes of others, she wants to hide it. So she makes all the effort to achieve that, but she finds her unable to do so. Why? Rubric is delusion clear, everything is too clear. Because it is visible or it is apparent to everyone. You cannot hide it. So delusion light, there is too much in the room on falling asleep. Rubric R, delusion, everything is too clear. What does it mean? Let's understand it. Everything means all the non-living things, his qualities, his habits, his weak points, his shortcomings, his intention, etc., etc., means everything. Is means at present time, at present moment is the each. So we have to understand the meaning of each word given in the rubric. Too, T-O-O, too means more than normal. So it is almost impossible to hide. It is very clearly visible to others. Clear means what is clear? So anything without any doubt is clear. That does not need any explanation. Person can easily understand the actual meaning or nature of that thing which is clear. So clear is very much evident. So the meaning of complete rubric, what was the rubric? Was delusion, everything is too clear. So the meaning of complete rubric is that the things or his weak points are so evident, so prominent, visible, that it is almost impossible for him to hide them from the sight of other people. So this is the reason of him feeling embarrassed and anguished. So this feeling gives birth to other feelings because one is related to the other. Because he does not want to expose his weak point to others, he takes the following measure to achieve this goal. Because he feels lots of embarrassment. Shuns light. Shuns light means he avoids going in the situation where people can easily see his weak points. So either he does not meet people or keeps on making effort to hide his weakness or shortcomings. And the rubric is looked at cannot bear to be looked at. So obviously he will avoid the sight of people. So what the word bear, B-E-A-R, bear? It is the capacity of the person to remain unaffected by the pressure of something he is to face. If that pressure is slightly increased, he just breaks down, but is not in a position to throw away the things that is putting pressure on him. So he does not have the capacity to throw away that pressure. So this is bearing. Looked at. What is looked at? People looking at him or his weakness. Cannot means he does not have the capacity to bear or to do something. It is connected to the capacity. So the meaning of complete rubric is, this is the way I understand rubric. So try to either understand the rubrics in this way, or you may also evolve your own method of understanding the rubrics in your own context. But I find this is the best way. So the meaning of complete rubric is patient when notices that people are looking at him, he feels that they are looking only at this weakness, so he becomes conscious about the weakness. So either he turns his eyes away or just leaves that place without saying anything to the onlooker. Another rubric is company aversion to presence of other people aggravate. The symptoms, and he himself is ameliorated when alone. So he avoids the company of everyone, just want to remain out of sight of everyone, meaning alone in his room. Another rubric is indifference, irritating, disagreeable things too. Though he knows that others are looking at him and this sight is very irritating to him and he does not like to be seen, but the situation is such that he is to remain there, so he just tries to ignore their sight as if no one is looking at him. In this way, he tries to soothe himself down. Another, this feeling of embarrassment means feeling of uneasiness on becoming conscious about his own dirty points or weakness or shortcoming, etc. So embarrassment makes him a weaker personality. Weaker personality means his confidence is shattered. So confidence, want of self-confidence. So he feels quite disturbed in the company of everyone, every person known to him. The following rubric will indicate this feeling. What are the rubrics? Absent-minded, spoken to when, anxiety, company when in, anxiety, conversation from, anxiety, crowd in, anxiety, speaking when, conversation aggravate, conversation aversion to, delusion, assembled things, swarms, crowd, etc. Delusion, insane, becoming insane, he will, fear, approaching of, others of, irritability, conversation from, timidity, company in, timidity, public, about appearing in public, timidity, awkward and talking, others aggravate, talk of, timidity, bashful. So explanation of some of the rubrics now. Number one rubric is absent-minded, spoken to when. So he is already busy in thinking about his weak points. His mind is always engrossed in those weak points. So that make him feel embarrassed. So when anyone wants to talk to him or says something to him, he does not listen to him. Rather, his mind remains busy in thinking. So this shows that the feeling of embarrassment has absolutely burdened his mind. Anxiety, company when in, when person is with other fellow beings known to him, he feels quite nervous by thinking that people may not notice his weakness or shortcoming. His weakness may not get exposed to everyone. This is the reason why he does not want company or he becomes anxious in the company. Anxiety, conversation from. So it is the talking of two or more people to share their views, to solve some problem or to reach at some common conclusion. So to have conversation, one needs to be alert. Alert is what the other people are saying, and hence he should have to react to their comments or points. Only then conversation can be continued. But Ambragracia mind has become so dull that he finds him unable to comprehend the situation and to react accordingly. So this creates an anxiety in him during conversation. There are chances of getting his weak points exposed. So conversation aggravate his mental symptoms. Rubric is conversation aggravate. So he wants to avoid landing him in a situation where he has to go in conversation with other people. Conversation aversion to. So if the conversation continues, this puts a pressure on his mind and hence he gradually start getting irritated. Irritability, conversation from. So why this conversation is not coming in end? These are the reactions. He wants to run away from that conversation. So he loses his mental peace. Conversation make him feel tired, dull, irritable. So gradually he becomes restless. Restlessness, conversation from. So he wants to go away from the situation where he is to get involved in some kind of conversation because he finds himself incapable of conversation. Delusion assembled things, swarms, crowd, etc. So this is also very important. Assembled means the ideas, people, material object, etc. when they come at a one particular place like a room, garden, his own mind. So this is called assembling. Things mean things are not living entities. So they could be some material object, some thoughts, ideas, etc. Swarm. Swarm means getting collected at one place and all behaving together without having individual feeling or wishes. Just like swarms of locusts. So crowd means when so many things, people gather at one place and behave all together in one unruly manner, make the crowd. The people in a crowd do not behave in accordance with their own individual intellect or emotions, but all are guided by the collective force of the crowd. So the explanation of complete rookery could be Ambra Gracia person feels that he is never alone, even if there are very few people around him, like only the family members. Even then, he does not feel comfortable. He feels himself in the middle of the crowd. So when person feels him in the mid of the crowd, he does not feel comfortable. He wants to go away from that crowd in some lonely place, but Ambra Gracia patient finds no such place where he can remain alone comfortable, because even the presence of one person nearby or a feeling that someone might be present nearby in the next room, in the next house, etc., it makes him uncomfortable. The reason of feeling himself surrounded by a crowd is that all his weak points may get exposed in some or the other way. Rubrics are timidity, company in, timidity, public about appearing in, timidity, awkward. So what is timidity? It is the feeling of lack of self-assurance, that how can he manage the things with ease and confidence. He feels how he could face the situation. He finds him slightly lacking in the ability to tackle the situation. So he avoids going to the public, making his presence felt by other people. Example, a student cannot answer question when he is asked to speak in front of the whole class. So this timidity means a sense of lacking something in him. So this makes him timid. So this timidity makes him behave in a nervous manner. So all the movements become awkward, meaning not harmonious, but in a chaotic way. All the movements are in chaotic way. The movements are awkward. So his speech staggers. He wants to say something, but his tongue speaks something else. He may drop things while doing any work, or so and so forth. This rubric has double meaning. When he sees that people are looking at him and are talking, so he suspects that they are discussing about his weak points only. That would make him feel bad or annoyed. Or when people directly talking about him, even if they are talking about him in an ordinary way, he feels bad and feels that they are just making fun of him, or as if he is inferior to them. So when he is in depressed, sad state, means he becomes sad because of the feeling of inferiority in him, because of loss in business, etc. So at this stage, he feels very bad with the behavior of other people. Following rubrics indicate this kind of feeling: embittered, exasperated. He feels very much irritable and bad with the behavior of other people. He does not want even to see their faces, has a strong aversion to see them, as if they are not his own people, or they are selfish people, or they do harm him, or they do not bother about him in any way. With this embittered feeling, he feels that the people surrounding him are not normal. Rubrics are: delusion sees devils. So people surrounding him are devil. Delusion sees faces. Delusion diabolical faces crowd upon him. Delusion diabolical faces crowd upon him, cannot get aside of them. Delusion distorted faces on lying down during the daytime. Delusion hideous faces. Delusion grimaces sees. and delusion has visions. All above rubrics have common feeling that the people surrounding him are not good people, they are not his own people, but one is like devil who wants to harm him or they do not like him, etc. So this is because of embittered feeling. The important rubric which reflect about his inferiority complex are embarrassed state is company aversion to the presence of other people aggravate the symptom, company aversion to the presence of strangers aversion to, company aversion to the presence of people intolerable to her during stool. Who are strangers? Strangers are the people or the things about whom he does not know much. What is their nature? How will they react on various things? So, intolerable. It is the state of reacting to the circumstances to counter their effect. Is intolerable. So he does not like them. Her means it is female part of man, which is bit milder, shameful and modest. Stool Stool is undigested part of food that is thrown out of the body through anus. So during passing the stool, one goes to some lonely place because one has to uncover his or her private parts. So this is a natural instinct, this normally. So moreover, the feces give an offensive odor and sight, so other people do not like to see anyone passing a stool. For example, a person during the meeting develops an urge to pass a stool. So he never says to the members that he is going to toilet to pass a stool. So it does not create a pleasant feeling among the members. So on the contrary, people present there will feel very bad about that person. It lowers his dignity. So it is considered as bad manners as if the person doing so is of very low standard. Hence, no one likes to even tell to others that he is going to toilet to pass stool or urine. He may use various phrases that are considered decent, like gentlemen, please excuse me, I am just coming back. I am going to the bathroom, I am going to the washroom, etc. etc. So these phrases do not create a bad atmosphere because one has not to imagine about the act of passing stool. So whenever we talk about something, an image of that thing or act develops in our mind. So we react to it accordingly. For example, if we talk about flowers, automatically an image of flowers comes to our mind and so we feel joyous. But when we talk about passing stool, immediately a disgusting feeling develops in our mind. When embragracia patient does not want to make himself low in the eyes of others by exhibiting his so-called weak point or shortcoming. So metaphorically, we can say that embragracia makes all the efforts not to let his weak points, dirty points come to the notice of others. He feels very much embarrassed, meaning a feeling of shame or an uneasiness on becoming conscious about something wrong in himself or herself. So he wants to hide himself from others. For example, a lady having excessive menstrual flow or bleeding piles or leukoderma patches, leukorrhea or any other dirty habit, etc., which she considered is shameful in her eyes, she does not let it known to others. Her whole attention remains involved in the act of hiding these shortcomings. Timidity and hesitation is at its utmost in embragracia patient. People say about him that it is very difficult to even wish him. He will not answer it back. He finds it very difficult to speak even a word to others. He is like a closed personality. Because of this feeling, he avoids the company of others. Even the music. What is a music? Music is sound that is rhythmic and pleasant to hear. So even the music makes her feel bad. Even the music makes her feel bad. Rubrics are music aggravate, music cough aggravate from music, music cough when playing piano, music earache from music, music headache from music, music trembling with music. So any talk which she likes, that could be beautiful for her, but as she cannot act due to her habit of agitation, sense of agitation is maximum in case of Ambra. So habit of agitation, according to the suggestions or advices given to her, though she likes the suggestion, so this tussle in her mind, meaning she wants to act according to the advice, but she cannot. So this gives her lot of trouble as described in a Borgus. So we can summarize Ambra Gracia as a person who during his good days was very vivacious, believed in rivalry, fasting, and thinks no end of himself. So behaving rudely. But once he develops some kind of weakness in him, like poverty due to loss of business, repeated failure of any types, physical or mental weakness, so some kind of shameful disease, etc. So he gradually becomes a shut up, closed personality. So who does not want to meet people, does not want to discuss anything with anyone, who has no desire to smile, laugh, or enjoy anything, or even cannot see others enjoy anything. Because of this, gradually his mind, intellect, and sensual faculties become dull, and all the functions depending upon these faculties also become dull or defective. That make him feel even worse. So what are the bad, shameful conditions for person depend upon the circumstances, social status, race, nationality, etc. So the readers themselves will have to find out the cause of shame to each patient requiring Ambra Gracia. Because same conditions may not cause an embarrassment to everyone. On the contrary, other may feel elated even under the same circumstances. For example, exposing the body is considered as a very good gesture in the Western countries, but exposing body is considered extremely shameful act in in India. So exposing is the same, but reactions are different. So you have to find out yourself which is the shameful condition for the patient. So Ambra Gracia patient find himself in a very difficult position when he comes to know that these shameful or these shortcomings will be exposed, will come to the notice of others. So this is a short description of Ambra Gracia. I will post few cases of Ambra Gracia, then you can correlate with the cases and will get the in-depth knowledge of Ambra Gracia. Thanks for watching the video. Apply it in your clinic. You will be successful, definitely.